Hi guys, I'm Belle Naples and welcome back to NonStopNaples, your lifestyle and business directory for everything there is to do and love in sunny Southwest Florida. Today, I'm so excited to be introducing our next business partner in our beauty and wellness showcase, Jen Gallagher. Okay guys, so let's dive right in and meet the owner, Jen Gallagher. Jen, this is the NonStopNaples community, and NonStopNaples, this is Jen.
Hello.
Okay, so Jen, tell us a little bit about your business and what makes you uniquely different.
Well, I practice completely holistically. And so to do that means to look at my client's skin as a reflection of their inner health. So whatever skin issues you might have going on, that's always directly related to what's happening to you internally. So I use techniques and products that are completely toxic free. They can't harm you in any way, absolutely not. And I do everything that a regular esthetician does, I just do it completely differently. So I use a gentle approach, and I just kind of focus on what problems are bothering you most, and we gradually work to retrain the skin and get it functioning again the way that it was when you were 17.
I like the idea of looking like I did when I was 17. What are some of the procedures we're going to try with you over the next few weeks?
We're going to do a couple of exciting things. We're going to use a new machine called CryoSkin. We're going to slim you up a little bit and focus on some areas that might be bothering you. We're also going to tighten your skin and do a 20-minute facelift, which is really exciting. Everybody sees instant gratification and results with that.
Love instant gratification.
And like I said, we're just going to slowly work to retrain your skin to turn over again the way that it did when you were 17. That's when your skin was in its prime, and you're going to get your glow back.
All right, guys, follow along with me over the next several weeks and watch me get my glow back. Definitely check it out.